You need to submit a single PDF file to the discussion board under the week 1 thread and also upload it to assignment 3 Dropbox below. You will create a storyboard and brief for an animated internet banner. You will finish the banner in future assignments. The subject should be a business, product, or an important message for a client, and you can use their art assets. The internet banner animation will need to be a minimum of 10 seconds of animation, using techniques you will be learning about in the next few weeks. Keep in mind while you are creating your storyboard that when you create your animated internet banner, you will be required to use the following items and techniques when you begin drawing and animating. Recognizable main objects. No abstract art as your main elements. You can use art assets from your supposedly client. A textured background. This can be a pattern of some kind, a meadow or snow scene, or something that will require you to draw it. No single color background allowed. Animated text. 10 seconds of animation, does not include video if used. Your banner size needs to be one of the following size: 336 x 280 large rectangle, 300 x 250 medium rectangle, 728 x 90 liter board, 160 x 600 wide skyscraper. Assignment requirements. There are 3 parts to this assignment: a narrative, a storyboard, and a sample frame. All 3 parts must be submitted as a single PDF file to the discussion board. First part, create the narrative worth 20 points. Your narrative should be no less than 1 page, and it must include the following information: project's goals, purpose, and scope. Audience analysis, including physical and cultural demographics, computer equipment, design/aesthetic expectations, message the banner is conveying, color scheme and fonts you will use, RGB values and samples, FPS, and length, font's name and sample. Second part, create your storyboard worth 40 points. Your storyboard should show no less than 5 storyboard frames. This means your internet banner will contain no less than 5 major actions or scenes. A major action could include an element coming into or leaving frame, or an element moving or changing shape. Create your own template or use one of the templates from the link below. Third part, you need to make a sample frame worth 15 points. Create a color sample frame using the graphics program of your choice, such as Illustrator or Photoshop. The size and shape of the frame should match your document size. Your color scheme, imagery, and fonts should match your chosen message for your animation. For the storyboard, if you do not know how to draw, follow this simple tip. Take or get a picture of what you need, lock it in Photoshop or Illustrator in a layer, then create another layer on top of it, and start tracing it. It is simple but gives great results.